Yes, yes, yes. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, guys, was just an exceptional day. Everything we've been talking about for the last few weeks has fully come together here, guys. Fib after fib after fib after fib every single day. Let me walk you through it step by step. Let me give you the education you need to succeed. So, if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. All right. So, before we get started, let me shout some of you out and we're gonna get right into it. Okay, so who do we have? Edwin, Trading Wars Army, good to see you. Travin, Trading Wars Army. JK, AV, Trading Wars Army. Rix T, Trading Wars Army. JB, what's going on? Ramon, Trading Wars Army. Pete, Silk Heaven, Trading Wars Army. Test Games, Taro, Jay, Trading Wars Army. Who else do we have in the building? Let's shout out some of you guys that support me every single day. I really appreciate you guys. Mauricio, Trading Wars Army. Nandi, what's going on? Ernesto, Fernando, yes, yes. Okay, we have everybody in the building. Thank you for being here. Let's step right into this. Okay, boom. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, is I want you to remember now. Okay, look at the Friday price action, and let's just do a quick review. Okay, so we had Friday's price action, and one thing that I said is there's always going to be legs, Fibonacci legs. So there's going to be a morning leg, which is usually the first 30 minutes, and then an afternoon leg. So let's draw up Friday because Friday is very similar to what happened today. We had a gap down, very similar. So this is why we study the past, because we look for similar patterns that we can trade over and over again that have good risk reward. So we had the first leg, which was this high to low. That's your first 15, 20 minutes. Okay, we had our 786, we collapsed. So there's your pullback. And then our afternoon leg, if we take the full extension here, like this, you could see that we came up to the 618 with an inverted hammer. So that's a little bit of a flashback. Now let's talk about today step by step. Okay, so let's go ahead here. I'm going to draw this horizontal line. It's going to let me know where the previous day's low was. So the first thing that I want to focus on today is strictly Fibonacci. Let's focus on that. Okay, guys? Okay. And remember, guys, the Fib book price is going up tonight. So we're going to focus on the Fibs. And I just want to say, pay attention. Okay. So here's the first 5-minute candle of the day. So we don't do anything on the first 5-minute candle in terms of Fibs because we need at least 3 bars to set up for a morning leg. So the morning leg is the first push of the day. So you need to wait for a directional move. And here we go. Here's our directional move. You could see here, guys, that we had this fake out here to the upside and we came down. So there's your directional move. So what do you do now? Okay, so you say the Fib is telling you, all right, we have this push down, and what I'm looking for is a pullback and then a continuation lower. That's all the Fib is buying on a pullback. So instead of chasing here for puts, instead of buying down here for puts, you're going to buy up here for puts. And when you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to get a cheaper deal. You're going to get a better price. You're going to get a discount because you're not chasing. Anytime you chase down here, the premium is going to be expensive. If you let it come back here, guys, then you're going to get a good deal. So hit me with a 1 first and foremost. Does that make sense? The purpose of the Fibonacci is to get a good deal in trading. We want a good deal. We always need to be making sure that we get things for a cheap price. That is how we get the most money. That's how we make the most money. That's how we stay alive in the game. Okay. So we're saying, hey, all right, I know the first move is down, but I'm not a rookie. I'm not going to panic. I'm not going to rush in and just buy. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for my setup. So here we go. Okay. So now what you do is you draw your Fibonacci. So you take it from your high and you bring it down to your low right there. Okay. So let's zoom in so you can see this. All right, so here's our high, here's our low. So we know we have this push down. So what we're saying again is we want to come back into the golden zone. The golden zone is the 50 to the 786. We want to come back in here and then we want to buy the puts over here because that's when we're going to get a good deal. We're not going to get a good deal down here because down here is where we're paying premium. We're paying expensive. We want to get it like we're going to Five Below. We want to buy a bottle of Hennessy at Five Below. That's where you get it right there. Okay, so let me just show you in the Discord the actual call out here for the Fibonacci, just to show you guys that this is not hindsight trading. This is something I do every single day. Okay, and so here we go. So this is my brother here, my younger brother. So we drew up the fibs right here. Okay, so this is the first fib of the day. So we drew the same thing that I'm showing you guys right there. So that's how it started off, and then it became this. Okay, so we draw the fibs live, and you can see right here, 618 filled short, 786 filled short, and the profit on the day was $806 using the micro futures contracts. All right, but let me show you now here step by step. So what we're doing here is we're trying to come back into the zone. We don't want to chase. Okay, so we come back here, guys. Boom. So we pop up, guys. Look, this happens so fast that you can't even see it on the chart. Okay, so we have to go down to the 1 minute to see this. We come into the golden zone. Look at this. As soon as we tag the 786, we reverse. You see the same inverted hammer, the same thing that I was showing you on Friday. It's the same thing that comes up over and over again. This is because this market we're in right now is being highly, basically controlled by algorithms. Because the algorithms right now are here because the market is extremely volatile. There's a lot of things happening behind the scenes that you guys don't see. But if we look at the chart, we could see the clues. We could see, okay, we come into this golden zone. There's that algo wick. There it is, pushing it back down, right? And for us, what we do here is we front run it, meaning we just have the order waiting here and the order waiting here, and we just take it. Let me show you. So here is the profit and loss, and here is the actual broker statements, okay? So we got short 2 contracts at 38.09 and a quarter, and 3 contracts at 38.1375. Covered 5 contracts here for $805.55. Actually, we're supposed to get a little bit more size, but we weren't able to because it was we didn't get filled properly with the last piece, the piece at the 786. So we layered in on the 618, layered in on the 786. So what do you do now? Okay, then people always ask, Rich, why do you have all these fibs here? These are for targets. So we start layering out, bam, 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 bam. And then when we get a new low, okay, we're waiting for a new low. That's when you want to let out the most right there. Beauty. Exceptional, exceptional. This is a perfection trade. This is not something to play around with, guys. This is something that could change your life if you focus. Okay, I need you to focus. Stop buy. Don't short here. Don't buy puts here. Stop being that person. Let the pullback come. It doesn't matter if it goes straight up like this. It doesn't matter because you're going to have a tight stop loss. Your stop loss is going to be up here. So then at the worst case scenario, you lose a little bit of money. But let me tell you something. If you short over here and it goes against you, if you short over here and it goes against you, then you're going to have a serious problem. You're going to lose a lot of money. Hit me with a 9 if that makes sense right now. Hit me with a 9 if that makes sense. Okay, guys? So that was the first play we took right there, live, step by step, called it out. Okay, guys? Step by step. That's how we do it. Okay? So, and you could see it, guys. You can see it. If you go down to the lower time frame, you start to see there's the first algo of the day, right? But we're not going to take that chance. We're going to wait. We're going to allow it. Let the premiums decay a little bit. Let it pull back in. Right here, that's where we come in and we hammer that. We hammer it. We hammer it. And just remember me, it's not always going to work. It's not always going to work. But check this out. Here's my brother's account. Listen. So he's doing the small account challenge, day 97. So he's risking $200, 100 on the first trade and 100 on the second trade. So 618 and 786. Make sure you're following TW Dairy, my younger brother. Make sure you're following him. He does this every day. So just understand this. If you risk $200 to make $800, that's 4 times your money. Okay. And if you make 4 times your money, you only need to win 20% of the time, I believe, somewhere around 20%. So 20 out of 100 trades in order to make a profit. 20 out of 100. Can you do that? Hit me with a 1 if you believe you can win 20 out of 100 trades. This, guys, everything that I do, it's a science. I perfected my style. There's a lot of copycats. There's a lot of people that want to do this shit that we do, but they don't have the balls to do what we do. We do it every single day. I trust in my systems because it's all probability based, mathematical based. I will never buy those puts at the lows. I will always buy it on a pullback. I don't care if the market goes down 500% because I'm playing for the consistent gains. I'm not playing for that one home run that everybody wants. I play to make money every single week. And that's what we do every single week in the Discord. We make money every single week because we follow good principles, pullbacks, options with decaying premiums, not expensive, not breakouts. Okay. So from there, we have the afternoon leg. So let me show you how to draw the afternoon leg. So the afternoon leg, guys, it comes in around 11, 12, 1. So literally in the afternoon. So if you look at this, so we'll go back to that fib leg. So this was our first fib leg. If I draw it from high to low right there, you could see that we completed the full measured move. So the full measured move is if I take this range, I copy and paste it, then we complete the range right there. So that's exactly 100%. So whenever we, stay tuned, brother, I'll show you where to sign up, okay, in a sec. So I want to get the lesson out first. So when we have 100% of the move, this is when you start to think the market can reverse. And if I take this fib and I pull it down high to low, you could see right at that near the bottom of this move, we have an outside bar. So that's your trick. If you want to buy cheap calls, that's how you do it. Okay, you wait for the measured move completion. So now let's continue. So what am I doing here? So same thing. Here's the afternoon leg. So literally how I just drew it for you guys, we drew it in real time for everybody live. There's no guessing here. There's no hindsight traders here. Okay, so here's your 50 to your 786. Now watch closely. So the first thing is we tap the 50, we get a rejection. Let's go to the 1 minute chart so you can see the detail. So here's our golden zone. Okay, look, we tap the 50, that's a rejection. These are algos, they're scalping it little by little. See, that push from here to here is still going to make the money. Okay, now let's continue. Now we get back up to the 50. Now we go to the 618. Look at that rejection on the 618. You see that? This is scalpers going high frequency trading. You can't even understand it. Okay, and now let's continue again. Okay, 618, a test again. And then finally, guys, we look at this. Watch this closely, right? Watch this closely. Look at the 618. Rejection, rejection, rejection. All you want to do, play off of the golden zone. There, and then finally we come to the 786. Now watch this. Bam. Literally. So we pulled up a little bit more, and that was it. That was the launch pad. Look at this, guys. Straight down. That's the power of the fibs. Here's the 5 minute chart. You can see it a little bit more clearly. Okay, so let me just zoom in here. Okay, so there we go. So there is your afternoon leg, right? So look, when the market is rallying here, it's going its V shape here. That's when you're buying puts, especially when it comes up to this 90%. That's when you're buying puts. You're buying puts. You're buying puts because you say what? You say, Rich, I'm risking this much. I'm risking this much right here. I'm risking this little bar right here. I'm risking this much here. But what is my reward? What is my reward? Look at the reward, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Exceptional. See that? Look, that is risk to reward. That's your money. So make that in green. All right. This is everything that I've done. 8 years of my life dedicated to find this. All right. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Okay. Beautiful. So, and you guys know I showed you the same thing on Friday. It's the same thing. Look at this. Look at this again. Look at today's price action. Look at Friday's. We have the morning leg down. Then we come into the afternoon and roll over. Morning leg down, afternoon and roll over. Okay. I'm not saying it's going to happen every time, but what I'm saying is when these days come, you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to make enough money to cover you as long as you don't do stupid things. Okay. All right. So there we go, my friends. So there we go. The other thing that I want to point out on this chart is the Ragnarok pattern, which is a rare pattern, inside, outside, inside. This is a part of my advanced indicators, all in my Discord. Okay. Once you're in the Discord, you have everything for life. We had some holy grails as well. So even if you don't understand the fib, just add the indicators to your chart so you can do these basic patterns. Ragnarok, here's a Nirvana, here's holy grails. All of these work really well today. Okay. So there we go, guys. Look, I really feel like this was meant to happen today because you guys know that the book, the Fibonacci book, you know that I'm raising the price, okay, at midnight tonight. And I really feel like this is like, it's the best case scenario because everything that I've been teaching you guys about the fibs for weeks and weeks and weeks, just go look at the video I did yesterday. It's exactly the same thing that happened today. So it's like it's all coming together right now. And it's perfect because today is the last day. All right. So today is the last day for the Fib book to get it at $88.60. At midnight, I am raising the price. So what do you get with the book? You get 1 month free in the room. So you don't just get the education, but you get to trade with us live. You get these indicators for life, the Nirvana and the golden indicators. A lot of people use my indicators. A lot of people in other Discords use my indicators as well. And that's how it is. But you get those for life, the premium ones. So the premium ones, you can put alerts on your phone. You can send it to your email. So you're always like, hey, a Nirvana came in, you can get a text to your phone. So that makes it really, really, really powerful. All right. 70 pages, over 50 charts, step by step. Grab this, guys. I'll see you live trading tomorrow. Trust me. This book is my first book that I ever wrote. I wrote it with love. Just love to help people like I was struggling when I lost 25,000. Okay. That's when I first started trading because I wasn't buying puts here. I was buying puts here. I was on social media, and when everybody's like the market is crashing, Flo, Joe, Mo, and all those things and WAPs, that's me right here buying the puts. And even if the market closed lower like it did today, I would still lose money because with options, you have to get a good deal. Hit me with a 9. Have you been in that situation? Okay. Hit me with a 9 if that's been in your situation. All right. So that's someone was asking me, how do you sign up, brother? That's how you sign up. Grab the book, or you can sign up on the main page right here. This is the spy room, some results here, some of the Discord callouts, and the stock room is there. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. All right. So a few other things that I want to clear up. Yep. So that was the lesson. And the last thing I want to talk about is the as above, so below nature of Fibonacci, which means it's fractal. We got a donation here right now. Hold on. Gotta shout this brother out. Motivate Sage with the 6.99 super sticker. Thank you, brother. You've been around for a long time, and I very, very much appreciate you. Okay. The last thing I want to talk about here, guys, is I do stream live. I've done many. Check out my YouTube channel. I've done many live streams. I've called fibs in live many, many times. Okay. So the as above, so below nature of the fibs. What I want to show you guys is this. All right. So the last big swing high we had was right here, right? That was our big swing high. And the same 618s, the same 786 that we're taking on the 5-minute chart, guys. If I draw the fib right here, high to low, watch this. Okay. It's the same exact thing right here, 618 to 786, same exact thing. And this is exceptionally powerful, guys, because you can use this on the daily time frame. Here's another one, high to low right here. Here's a 50, right? And if you look at the candles, right, pretend you're not seeing this, the rest of this chart. Look how bullish it looks on the 50, but only the Fibonacci can tell you that, you know what, Rich, this is a potential turning point. So as above, so below nature. Here we go again from the top. This was the high of SPY, high to low right here, 618, take you down. Okay, now let's go again from high to low right here. Another what? 618, take you back down. Let's try it over here now. Okay, we take it from this high to low here. You could see 618, take you back down. And then we had a reversal, take it from the bulls, low to high, 786, take you back up. Guys, it's mechanical. I want you to learn this information. I don't care what you trade. I don't care what you do. I want you to learn this information, and it will make you better. It's going to make you a better trader. I promise you that. It's going to make you better. So just understand the material. Whatever you're doing is going to add value. It's going to help you with targets. It's going to help you with stop loss at the very, very least. Okay. 100 trades journal. Make sure you're filling out your 100 trades. We have a seminar coming up on July 3rd for members only of the Discord. And I'm going to be looking over your 100 trade journals. And I'm going to pick some people. We're going to talk about it. And I want to make you better. The only way you can get better is if you understand where your mistakes are instead of pretending that they don't exist. That's why when you write it down, you write down all your trades, you know, hey, you know what, Rich, I lost $1,000 today because I got FOMO. So we'll address the problem. We'll deal with the FOMO. Okay. Let's go ahead now. Trading Wars FAQ. Make sure you read this. Okay. I have the fibs right here. Everybody keeps asking me about that. And let's go ahead here and look at some Trendspider scans for tomorrow, and we'll wrap it right up. Hit me with 11 if you're having a good time, because I am. I'm having a great time today. Making money, teaching people, just living my dream. That is my dream. Making money and teaching people. That is living my dream, you know? So let's do this right here. So let's go ahead and scan for the blue raindrops. See if we have anything. Okay, so we have a lot here. Amazon, exceptional. This is going to be one on the list tomorrow. This is beautiful. I mean, it doesn't really get better than that. We have a blue raindrop with the double bottom potential here. This is the last chance right here for Amazon to make a stand. It needs to make a stand. And you can see here, you know, blue raindrops in the past usually lead to a lot of volatility. Look here, look here, look here, look here. A lot of volatility. So I'm looking for that blue raindrop tomorrow. I'll be posting this on Twitter for free for you guys. Make sure you follow the Twitter channel. The other one, Disney, another nice one here. Same setup as Amazon. This one is a lot weaker because you could see it already broke through support. So Amazon would be leaning more towards the bullish side. Okay. So those are the two. Let's go ahead. Holy Grail. Okay. So this is my custom scans. Nothing that I like to trade on there. So we move on. We don't force things. Oh, that's, yeah, we don't force things, guys. We just look for the ones that we like to trade, because the ones that we like to trade, we know we have an edge. Okay. So there we go. So Amazon and Disney, the two big plays I'll be looking at tomorrow. Okay, guys, look, if you have a Trendspider account already and you want to get my scans, you want to get my setup, just let them know you want to join the Trading Wars affiliate. They'll hook you up. All right. If you want to get these scans on your own, you can use code TZ25 at checkout, get 25% off, and become part of the affiliate program. Next Thursday, I'm going to have Dan from Trendspider, who is like the founder of Trendspider. He's going to come on here. He's going to show you guys a lot about Trendspider, and he's going to also talk to you guys about the journey of Trendspider and where they're going. I've been working really closely with them. I'm very happy with them because they do seem to like really want to get better and service the customer, you know? So I think they're going to do a good job. So I'm going to bring them here next Thursday. All right. So there we go, my friends. Thank you very much for your time. You know, as always, it's my pleasure here to be your teacher. Thank you for your time. This was a very, very good stream, 220. So you know what? Let's do a giveaway. We have 220 people in here. This is beyond what I expected. I haven't had this in a long time. So I don't think I've ever had this on a Monday. So hit me with a 4 right now if you want to do a giveaway. Hit me with a 4 right now if you want to do a giveaway. We'll give away 1 book and we'll do 1 month for free in the room because I appreciate you guys. Okay, so let's go right now. So hit me with a 4. So how are we gonna do this? Okay, guys. So listen, here are the rules. I'm thinking of a number from 1 to 20 in my head. The first person that posted here will get it. The first person I see, okay? Because it's what I see, all right? Because your chat is gonna look different than mine, okay? So 1 to 20. So put a number right now in the chat, okay? And let's see what you guys have. Okay, okay, guys, the first one I see, okay? Haven't seen it yet. Haven't seen it yet. Maybe I'm lagging. No. Wow. And you guys have my number. All right, I see it right here. This brother right here. Abiba. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the last name because I don't want to butcher it. But yes, sir, or yes, ma'am, Abiba, you are the winner of the giveaway. Thank you very much for showing me some love and being here. I really appreciate that. All right, so Abiba, just DM me on Twitter. We'll verify your YouTube account and we'll get you your book and your 1 month for free. Thank you guys for your time. Please comment, like, subscribe. We just broke 20K. I'm doing a lifetime giveaway. I'll announce the details a little bit later once we get through the books. But make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you leave a comment, you always have the chance to win the giveaways. Okay, I do them every single week. I give away all the time. I care about you guys. All right. And here's the last thing right now. Check me out. Tradingwars.com. Price is going up at midnight for the book. Okay. Trust me, this book is worth its weight in gold. All right. Even though it's an ebook, it doesn't really weigh anything, but you know what I'm saying. All right. Thank you very much for your time, guys. I'm out. I'll see you tomorrow.